Before we go any further, let me make it clear that I am not in the business of promoting handouts or encouraging reliance on others in any way. Rather, I value hard work, shrewd decision-making, and self-sufficiency. That being said, there are special circumstances in which people may find themselves in a financial bind, and as a result, they need financial support to manage the situation that they're in. I'm also of the opinion that if you can find a way to use other people's money legitimately to make money to better yourself, I'm all for it. And for that reason, I decided to make this video where wealthy or charitable people essentially give away free money with no strings attached. For the most part, these platforms address a wide spectrum of financial needs, including medical needs, education loans helping with living costs, paying a mortgage or rent, vacationing, purchasing groceries when you can't otherwise, and even promoting business concepts. Begging Money is a website where you can obtain cash from generous or wealthy people, namely beggingmoney.com. Here is one example. Help with bills he left us, which reads, "Single mom desperately needed help with bills he left us," to give you an idea of the kinds of requests that people will help with on this specific website. To start with, beginners can create personal pages and explain their financial needs or causes, allowing them to directly ask others in the general public for financial assistance. The second website where you may get free money from either rich or good people is on Indiegogo, and I'm not sure how to pronounce this one, but you simply visit, make a personal page, and honestly describe your financial situation. Indiegogo is a well-known platform for crowdfunding that helps business owners realize their ideas. It supports a wide range of projects, from innovative technology or tech-related ventures to original products that you might want to market. The next website on our list is Fondly, where people can post requests for assistance with memorials, funerals, clubs, communities, social needs, and educational needs. On this platform, kind or wealthy people can donate to your cause. To start a campaign, you create an account on their website, describe your cause or project honestly and in detail, set a fundraising goal, and donors will automatically be able to see it. Now another website is justgiving.com, and this is a global online social platform that's focused on giving. It serves multiple purposes like many of the others that I've shared and ranges from fundraising for charities to supporting personal causes on their website. You'll see here where people are asking for help with a recent earthquake in Turkey. They're looking for relief, and there are others here who are looking for help. And there are others here who are looking for help with a personal cause. It's really easy to start on Patreon and get consistent funding from your audience. Visit the website, create a profile, and list all the things you're prepared to give up to acquire what you want to make sure you're adding value. Create a community of customers by carefully defining your membership tiers and the benefits that come with each. These are the website Go Get Funding, and Go Get Funding enables you to raise money for personal ideas, projects, events, or personal causes. As you can see from their homepage, they support everything from health and healing to getting people to pay for your volunteer travel to far-flung locations. To get started, all you need to do is create a fundraising page, share your story, set a financial goal, and spread the word about it to your network and beyond. The name of this next website is literally Big List, and they help a lot of causes. Simply said, Bad List gives a venue for people to meet needs including food, clothing, and shelter. It is a free platform where people can request donations online. To start, you create a post that describes your situation on the website and specify the assistance that you require, because sometimes the assistance can be in kind, meaning instead of asking for $100 in cash to help with your needs, such as food, shelter, and education, this may be a good website for you to plead your case and have wealthy or kind people contribute to your cause. Now, Fundable is the next website on our list where you can access free money from wealthy, rich, or kind people. This is a crowdfunding platform tailored to small businesses, startups, and even large enterprises. It allows entrepreneurs or hustlers to raise funds from both accredited investors and C-level executives. So let's say, for illustration, that I had the brilliant idea to create a brush, and let's pretend that when you use it to brush your hair, it simultaneously straightens it and has a small spray feature to keep it intact. You know I'm making this up, but just stick with me for fun. Let's imagine I developed this idea. I could share it on this platform in exchange for funding from investors or future clients for my business. I'll tell them that I'll use a brush as an example. Depending on how much they spent in the development of this miraculous brush that produces flawless hair, I can offer a client or an investor 20% of the earnings I generate from the brush. Here, you establish a profile, describe your business idea, set your funding target, and then share your campaign with potential investors. Knowing the next platform on our list, you can get started on that one. I'm quite enthusiastic about this one because who would have imagined that you could get wealthy and kind people to contribute to your vacation fund? My Travel is an online platform that allows people to set up campaigns to generate money for domestic or worldwide travel expenses, whether it's for job, studies, volunteering overseas, or a family emergency fund. My Trip can assist you in paying for all prospective trip expenses, and it is evident from their website that many customers are finding success in achieving this. The second website on our list is Kickstarter.com, which is fairly well known, and that many people I know have successfully utilized to launch their businesses. Now, this website is a well-known crowdfunding platform created especially for creative projects. It supports a variety of categories, including movies. As a business person or creator of games, music, art, or technology, you can start a campaign to raise money for any groundbreaking concepts you have. Backers or supporters who see your project can exchange their support for it with tangible rewards or even first-hand experiences. For this one, I wouldn't say it's completely free, but it isn't completely free either. Because most of the time, like in the brush example I gave you, you have to promise something in exchange. If you get the money for free and use it to do something, and then give something back that the free money helped you do, then it's kind of free, right? At least that's how I perceive it. In any case, what's amazing about Kickstarter.com is that they have funded 241,000 projects and have raised US $7 billion, not million dollars. Therefore, Kickstarter.com might be your best bet if you're looking for a site where the likelihood of you receiving money will improve. On the next website on our list, Crowdfunder, which is spelled crowdfund-R, you can start by creating a project page, providing all the information about your project, setting a goal for how much money you want to raise, and providing an alluring incentive to draw in potential backers or investors. However, I'm going to pronounce it as Crowdfunder. If I'm incorrect, so be it. This is a platform that links business owners with investors across the world to help fund their initiatives, whether they use the money to launch a new firm or to invest in an existing one. Using crowdsourcing, you may promote your company and draw in possible investors. It's not difficult to get started, and there are people on their website asking for money, donations, or contributions for children's picture books. You'd be surprised to learn that there are people willing to invest in your business. For instance, if you want to open a restaurant or a food truck business. The next website, which I realize I'm going to mess up on, is a leading global crowdfunding platform that supports projects across a number of categories, including food and technology. It provides a space for people to post their projects. The following website is called Seed and Spark, and it is designed specifically for film and television projects. It offers filmmakers the tools and support they need to tell their story on screen. It is the place for you, Lily, or however it's pronounced, to showcase your project and seek funding from a community of supporters that they already have. creating a campaign page outlining your film project, setting the funding, and engaging with enthusiastic and potential backers, most of whom are already on the platform, will get you started on this platform very quickly. Since they have raised over $49 million, this is a great place to post your projects if you want to be the next movie or film producer. CircleUp is the newest crowdfunding site where generous or wealthy people will donate money for free or, in certain cases, in exchange for a promise that you'll accomplish anything. This site is dedicated to assisting consumer brands acquire capital to increase their market reach. You visit your page, create a profile, share your brand story, describe your growth plans, and engage with interested investors who can help your business expand through their contribution or investment. It gives emerging consumer product companies the chance to connect with accredited investors who are willing to put money into your dream to get started. The second item on the list is Rocket Hub, which has a lot of functionality because it gives entrepreneurs, artists, and innovators a place to ask for money for various ventures. Therefore, this is the perfect place for you to post your project by making a campaign page on the actual website rockethub.com, whether you have an artistic endeavor, a technology project, or even a community initiative. Now, the second one is quite well known and is called GoFundMe.com. Basically, you can use it to raise money for anything, including parties, graduations, accidents, and diseases. Millions of people have used GoFundMe to raise money during tough times. It's crucial that you approach these platforms with sincerity, honesty, and a genuine need. It's not guaranteed, but if you have a strong pitch or if you have a real need and you can articulate it well, someone might just come to you.